How to fix Instagram music not showing all the songs. So if you were to go to Instagram and let's say you want to add a story, go ahead and take a quick picture and you want to add some music to it. And if you're finding that certain songs are not showing up, it's real easy to fix. So the first thing we can do is come out of Instagram and make sure that your app is updated. So we can go to the App Store and we can go ahead and type in Instagram and make sure that you have the newest version of Instagram on your phone as possible. So you can go ahead here and update your app. What you can do also is go into your settings, go into general, and then go to where it says iPhone storage. And then what you want to do is go find Instagram, and from here you can offload the app. So this clears a lot of cache and back data on the app itself, and it will force update the app also where you'll have the newest version. So if you still are having a problem with this, what you can do is come out of your settings. Let's go back to Instagram. Let's X out of here, discard. And you can go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner and then go to the three bars at the top right corner. A lot of times what will happen is if you're in a professional account, it will limit what you can have. So what we can do, if you are in there, go ahead and go down to where it says for professionals, go down to creator tools and controls, and then go down to where it says switch account type. And we want to go back to a personal account. Go ahead and click switch to personal account. And that should be able to fix Instagram so that you can see all the music in the